Hello students, welcome back to VBS online classes. In my previous videos, I have explained the story of Ali Kogia, lesson 30. In my today's video, I am going to explain you the exercises of the chapter 13. And first exercise is choose the correct option and fill in the blanks, and the second exercise is reference to context, and third exercise is question answers. First of all, I will explain all the exercises, and after that you have to do all the exercises in your notebook today only. Now open page number 119 of lesson 13. Your first exercise is choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Now come to the first one. The merchant wanted to eat dash. Out of 3 options you have to fill here olives. The correct option will be olives. The dash tried to stop the merchant from eating someone else's fruit. The correct option will be wife. The boys at role play were secretly observed by the caliph. The correct answer will be caliph. Okay. Now number 4. Dash was betrayed by the merchant. The correct answer will be Ali Kogia. Number 5. The caliph was discussing Ali Kogia's case with her vizier. The correct option will be B, the vizier. Now come to the second exercise. Read these sentences and answer the questions with reference to context. Okay. Now read the sentence. Tonight when my wife is asleep, I will fill the jar entirely with fresh olives, for these show they have been disturbed. Now, read the first question. Who was this to whom? And the answer will be the merchant said this to himself. Okay. And the second part of this question is, why would he fill the jar with fresh olives? Why would he do that when his wife is asleep? You all know that his wife is not agreed with him, so that he waited his wife to be slept. Now he wants to fill the jar with fresh olives so that nobody notices that the jar has been disturbed. He did that when his wife is asleep because she asked him not to betray his friend. Correct? Now the third, number C. What do you think of the character of the speaker from the act? The answer will be, this shows that the speaker was dishonest and cunning. Number 2. Ali Kogia, have you bought the jar? Who was referred to as Ali Kogia in this speech? The child playing Ali Kogia was referred to as Ali Kogia in the speech. Now come to the second question. What did the speaker want to check from the jar? Answer. The speaker wanted to check if Ali Kogia had found the jar exactly as he had left it. Now come to the third question. How did the speaker help the caliph through his play? Answer. The speaker gave the caliph a great way to check if the olives in the jar were fresh. That means that the merchant had replaced the old olives and removed the pieces of gold from the jar. Come to the exercise C. Answer these questions briefly. And the first question is, what do you think of the merchant's wife character in this play? Now, come to the answer. The merchant's wife character was that of an honest and upright woman who didn't want to cheat anyone who had trusted them. Okay. Now, come to the second question. Describe how the merchant tried to cheat his friend Ali Kogia. The merchant tried to cheat his friend Ali Kogia by removing the gold pieces that Ali had hidden in a jar of olives by replacing the gold with fresh pieces of olives so that he would not get caught. Now come to the third question. Describe how the boys playfully helped the Caliph with a way to find out the truth about Ali Cogia's olives. And the answer will be the boys playfully carried out a drama in which they showed how the merchant could be brought to justice by asking two olive merchants to check the freshness of olives returned to Ali Cogia. This drama trick helped the Caliph with a way to find out the truth about Ali Cogia's olives. Is it clear? Now come to the next question. Question number 4. How were the boys rewarded in the end? Means how were they awarded? Come to the answer. The Caliph decided that the boy who played the Qazi should be rewarded with a purse of gold for his wisdom and justice. Now come to the last question. Question number 5. What qualities of the boy who played the Qazi and the real Caliph are shown in this play? And the answer is the boy who played the Qazi was a sharp and intelligent boy who was able to solve a complex case. Full stop. The Caliph adopted the strategy of the boy for the real case. Now thank you students. In this way I have completed lesson 13, and in my next video we will move to next chapter.